How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Momo Insurance YouTube channel. This is a channel designed to talk about all things insurance. Specifically in this video, I'll be talking about what life insurance is used for and 5 benefits of having life insurance. So when we think about life insurance, we have to think about having coverage over our life, over our income, over our legacy, over our assets, over any medical bills or any debt. Like, what do we want to leave our loved ones behind with when we pass away? Because when we die, we can't take the money in the grave with us. So we want to be able to leave our family legacies behind. So there's one thing about life that's guaranteed. It's taxes and death. So with life insurance, it helps us to, kind of soften the harsh reality. So life insurance is important for your financial strategy. It helps you ensure that your loved ones are covered, whether it be with replacing an income, which I'm going to talk about that, whether it be for paying for funeral costs, cremation, caskets, whatever the case may be. Life insurance policy has a lot of benefits that cater to those needs. So what are the 5 benefits of having life insurance? The first one is it helps pay off your final costs. Like I was just saying, when you pass away, I'm pretty sure you're going to want to be either buried or cremated. You're going to need money for that. GoFundMe is not life insurance. I've seen a couple of families, when somebody passes away, the family wants to create a GoFundMe. That's because they didn't have a life insurance policy. 9 times out of 10, they didn't have a life insurance policy. So the first one is paying off final cost, whether it be funeral, cremation cost, medical bills, health insurance, estate settlement costs, and any other unpaid obligations. The second one is paying off debt or replacing income. So there are times when somebody will die out of the family that was the breadwinner. Well, a lot of the times the family has been accustomed to living a certain lifestyle off of a certain income. And when the breadwinner passes away, if they don't have life insurance, then a lot of the times the family is not able to continue to live the same lifestyle that they did when the breadwinner was alive. So when you pull out life insurance, you can set it up to where you can have the policy replace your income that you were making for a certain amount of time. It also helps with covering expenses like college tuition, mortgages that still need to be paid off, credit cards, debit cards, any outstanding car loans, or any loans that need to be paid off. Life insurance policies cater to that as well. The third thing is inheritance. There are people that solely take out life insurance policies for the reason of leaving their family or their beneficiary with an inheritance. So the inheritance can be the life insurance policy. It could be 100,000, 200,000. Maybe it could be a car. Maybe it could be a home. It depends on what that person has in their life insurance policy or will. So inheritance is very important. It's a very good way of leaving your family a legacy behind, or leaving your legacy, or building your legacy. So another reason another benefit. So the 4th benefit of having life insurance is paying off federal or state estate taxes. That's one thing that's guaranteed in life: taxes and death. Having a life insurance policy helps bypass paying the taxes that you would have to pay for having an inheritance. So a lot of the times the policy will partially or completely offset the tax costs, which is a great thing. So the 5th reason of having a 5th reason of getting life insurance, or a benefit of life insurance, is charitable contributions. So life insurance policy can also be created with your favorite charity. named as a beneficiary. So if you don't want to leave your life insurance policy or your assets or your income or whatever you have set aside, if you don't want to leave that to your family members, you can always leave it to charity that you believe in, rather if it's your charity or a charity that you really love. So, as you can see, there are quite a few benefits of having life insurance. And if you don't have life insurance, be sure to check out the link down below to get a free quote and book a session with me. I'll be more than glad to help you and assist you finding affordable life insurance. With that being said, I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.